Meaning of D. D. D.
D. D. The letter D is the fourth letter in the modern English alphabet and has several meanings depending on the context. As a grade, it commonly represents a score that indicates a student's performance falls below average but still qualifies for credit. In science, it can represent a deuterium atom or a vitamin essential for strong bones. It also symbolizes various mathematical variables, musical notes, and Roman numerals. Moreover, D is a common abbreviation for words such as diagonal, density, and distance. Overall, the meaning of D varies depending on the field of study, subject, or application.